This Century 21 The Real Estate Center property video is presented by Sandi Bare 1.3 Air Conditioner All Brick Home Convenient to APG, I-95, Shopping. Large portion of property fenced in. Updated roof, HVAC, kitchen, lower level west bath, laundry area, family room, wet bar, LG cabinet storage area, main bath floor, solid wood 6-panel drive throughout home, kitchen door, appliances, light fixtures, much more. Oversized detached garage west/2 vehicle parking and another section for large workshop. For more information, review the details below.